Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J. I am powered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with yet another pattern, yet another stitch you can call it. It is staggered double crochets in the pair. To work this and show you, I am going to use Hobby Store Petrol Blue Aran yarn, which is 100% premium acrylic anti-pill with the medium weight 4. And color is 2009. Its medium weight is perfect as per the Crochet Council. To work this, we need to have a multiples, that is even multiples plus 2 to begin with as the foundation chains. So now yarn over the hook, and in the 4th and 5th chain you're going to work 1, 2, 3, 4th. In the 4th chain you're going to work an incomplete DC and yarn over. In the 5th chain you're going to work an incomplete DC and complete it. So this 2 DCs together you have finished. Now chain 1, and then you are going to do 2 DC together in the next 2 chains. You're not working in the chain that you've completed. Incomplete DC, incomplete DC. So the first row is little different than the following rows. Chain 1, again 2 DC together in the next 2. Chain 1, 2 DC together in the next 2 chains. So complete till the end. I shall meet you at the end. I've come to the end of the row here, so I'm left with 1 chain. Now you're going to complete chain 1 and complete the row by making a DC in the last chain. Having done that, you can either make chain 3 and turn, or you can make a DC on the very first DC here. So I'm going to make a DC here, that is a standing DC. And now your pattern begins, and it's a 1 row repeat pattern. You have to repeat the pattern as row 2. Row 2 is a pattern repeat. Now yarn over the hook, insert your hook in the chain space, incomplete DC, yarn over another incomplete DC in the next chain space. You're not working over 2 DCs together. Now complete the DC2 together. Chain 1. Now you're going to start your next 2 DC together in the same chain space where you completed your 2 DC together. So that is why I told you the first row is different from the other consecutive rows. So chain 1, again starting from the last chain space where you completed the DCs 2 together, and then in the next chain space insert, complete the 2 DC together. So this is how it is done. Continue till the end. I shall meet you at the end. You come to the end of the row here. So last 2 DC together you will do in the last leg of this chain space here. Where you completed the last stitch, you begin from there and end in the last leg there. And then now you chain 1 and make a DC in the turning chain. Again turn your work. Either chain 3 and begin, or make a standing DC on the very first DC. And you're going to repeat row 2. Insert your hook in the next chain space, incomplete DC, insert in the adjacent chain space, incomplete DC, 2 DC together. Chain 1, again chain 1 again, 2 DC in next 2 consecutive chain spaces, beginning from the chain space that you completed your DC together last. So we begin from the chain space where you completed and end in the new chain space. This is how you work your staggered DCs in the pair. So once you complete your project, the stitches will look like this. And this is again yet another reversible stitch. It will look the same in the back side also. And this is little area than the 2DC staggered 2 HDCs, and it can be used for any project that you like. Thank you friends for watching this video. Have a great day. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now. Have a great day.